Hi guys, all of us wait for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday to collect a lot of tools, take advantage of the deals and save some money. Now let us understand only tools are they going to help us? Many of us like me, I have spent on more than 100 tools and half of them I don't use. Probably I fall prey to the shiny object syndrome and I think that okay, I'm saving this much of money. And what happens is we collect tools, we don't make use of it. So imagine a car without a petrol, right? So if you just collect the car and if you don't have petrol in that, how is it going to help you? So this Black Friday deal, this is brought to you by the Profit Funnel University basically. And the whole idea is a community driven platform where people come, participate, consume the content, learn, share their success, failures, and grow together. So here we have been doing it since last 1.5 years, and the community wanted a full funnel kind of experience. They wanted something in a very integrated kind of thing. So we have created a package of 15 products. They are basically workshops and all this stuff, workshop training, checklist, SOPs. So let me take you through the Black Friday deal that we are coming up with. Well, I'll not reveal it today, what is it going to be in the exact things, but yeah, I'm going to give you a hint of what it is going to be and what is in it for you. So today's video and this video is only about inviting you for joining the waitlist and why you should actually join the waitlist. So let me share a small presentation. So we call it the Black Friday Funnel Blast. So what is a blast? I'll take you through that. So yeah, all of us are waiting for it. When I'm waiting for some of the deals. Yeah, but what exactly we need to see? Let us go through that. So what is Funnel Blast? Funnel Blast is basically a method in which you can actually build the entire funnel from idea to scale. And you don't have to go out of it. You can build it using the formula and using the method. And why we are doing this Black Friday, as I already shared that, we are building a profit funnel university community, and we are providing everything at once. That's why we want to give it in the Black Friday deal. We want to learn and grow together. So even the trainer learns from the participants, even the coaches or the trainers and the instructors, they also learn when a good case study comes. So we want to learn and grow together. And because we are doing this Black Friday so that we can actually get more people at once and focus on delivering for next few days till the delivery is complete, rather than acquiring. And we will focus on once build a community at once and help them grow and get results, then move to another batch of people. So the idea is also to build things together. And because it is community based learning, everybody will learn. So we share our success, failure, and everybody learns from that. So what will be revealed on the Black Friday day? Let us have a quick peek, quick look at that. So I'm going to present you a deal you cannot say no to. So everything you need to plan, build, and scale your funnel will be presented to you. You can make use of those things to launch your funnel, launch ads, and make a profit ultimately. And why there is a wait list? Because we want to validate people. Basically, we want to see what kind of people are coming. Probably we'll also integrate, have a interaction with them and see what exactly they are looking for. So this is a community driven stuff. So we will build it for the list. So once we have a list, we will actually build the package, customize the product. The products are basically done, but we'll customize it in the next 20 days and build it for the community. Yeah. So we will have pre Black Friday meets to understand your requirement and your challenges and what are you expecting from the Black Friday deals. Yeah. So what is in it for you? If you look closer into this, there are workshops. There are four workshops exactly to be specific. Tons of templates on landing pages, all this stuff, landing pages, VSL, so many stuffs are there. Yeah, there are ad swipe files, email swipe files, and also many stuffs are there also. System of procedures, basically SOPs. So how to do things, what are the steps involved? Lots of checklist. If you want to launch a website, what are the checklist? If you want to launch a Facebook conversion ad, what are the checklist? All this stuff. Yeah, lots of ebooks, a library basically of videos and ebooks. And yes, there is a community-based learning, so you'll be given a membership for a year. So this thing is very, very important. Monetarily, this is not very big, but yeah, this brings you into discipline. This brings the attention and intent in your learning. And yes, this is community-based learning, so everybody contributes and everybody grows. And yes, if you're stuck, uh, there will be a helping hand either from the community or from the trainer, and or for either for or for me actually, basically. So you will not get stuck. That is a promise. And yes, like any other Black Friday deals, we have great gifts, coupons, and close to, I think, 18 people will learn, learn mostly almost like free, because they'll get up to minimum 50 to 100% discount. These 18 people, top 18 people, will get minimum 50 and maximum 100% discount. So they will learn and earn. Yeah, you will get a lot of coupons, you will get a lot of discount, and minimum incentive is 5,999. So 6,000 bucks worth incentive is everyone if you just join the waiting list. So it's a no-brainer, guys. So just join the list and be there. We'll keep you in touch. So yeah, this is the total prize money, that is 2,30,178 rupees worth prize monies are there. And as I said earlier, minimum incentive to sign up is 5,999. So it's a no-brainer, and all you need to do is sign up to the list, share it on your social, get more people. The more people you refer, more points you make, and more eligible you become to win the grand prize. So I'm eagerly looking forward to seeing you in the VIP waiting list and meet you before the Black Friday things happen. So the whole idea is to build a community, as I said, and give them an offer which will not only save their money, but also give them a definitive plan to learn. It's not just about saving, it's about actually what you save, what you make out of it. Okay, let's say you are saving 80% and we are paying 15%. Are you utilizing that 15% of worth money, and how it is going to help you? Let's say you invest, let's say 1 lakh rupees in any stock market or any other product. How much that money becomes, that is more important. So I'm not going to reveal about the deals and the price, but yeah, make sure that you be there in the waiting list and be there in the webinar which we'll be doing on the Black Friday day. And look for yourself, judge for yourself whether it is good for you or not. Till now 250 people have used our product, our training, they have got benefited, and this is my belief, and this is a proven formula that things work. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the waiting list and eventually in the webinar, and also in the community in the later stage. All the best. Let us make use of this Black Friday to connect, learn, and earn a profit. Of course, basically, this is Profit Funnel University. Thank you, and bye from me, Shivram here. Bye.